Hey guys, I live on a busy street. You're gonna have to bear with me here, but try to keep this short and sweet. I got the fan set on 1. You can see it's getting voltage to the fan's power wire. Plug the fan in, nothing happens. So look at this guy. There it goes. Be clear, this thing's in there pretty damn strong. It's actually difficult for me to pull it out. Really difficult. This is going to be a two-hand job. Hold on a second. Alright, we're back. So if I probe this wire right here, far right wire is getting 12 volts on that socket. So the switch is commanding 12 volts in setting number 1. I did build up solder on all these connections thinking maybe the female spades were just loose. I went ahead, cleaned that contact terminal for the bimetallic strip. All the coils ohmed out to spec. Like I said, I bench tested this thing with the fan. It works perfectly in the shop. Bring it into the car, and you gotta wiggle it in order to get it to work. Works there. Doesn't work there. I guess, if anything, if I could just kind of shove something in here to hold this pack down, it would probably be fine, but that's what leads me to believe I have a wiring issue on the back of one of those female spade connectors. I don't know if you have any thoughts or insight on maybe what I'm doing wrong here. Let me know, I appreciate it. Thanks.